Maha Cartoon TV.
Chaos on Holi. Both Krishna and Ruhi shifted from a village to the city after marriage. Both had to do something for their future, so they started working in the city. Several days passed like this. They both had made a daily routine to talk to each other over the breakfast table.
Honey, Holi is round the corner. What's the plan?
Oh ho! I'm going to rest at home. You know I have allergy to colors anyway.
Ruhi, how boring you are.
Come on, we anyway don't get offs often from the office. And now that I've got one, I'd like to relax.
You know what I was thinking? That I should call Dee and Jiju. What do you say?
Is it necessary?
I was sure. And I knew that you don't like my relatives. You are just busy in your own world.
No, it's not that. Fine, call them.
That's like my darling wife. I'll just call them. Anyway, they have been eating my head for days to come here.
The next day, Krishna called his sister. Holi was also going to come in a few days. Then everyone started cleaning the house together. Ruhi and Krishna's sister also prepared a variety of dishes. They all were talking on the terrace of the house a day before Holi.
Ruhi, you have allergies to colors, right? How will you play Holi?
Didi, you know I don't play Holi at all. I've stopped playing Holi since childhood because of the allergies.
Oh, come on. Never mind.
Don't you worry. I will get you.
What do you mean?
Ruhi, Jiju has great sense of humor.
Yes, Ruhi, he jokes a lot. Try ignoring his jokes and you will be fine.
Okay, Didi.
Everyone went back to their rooms after dinner and some gala time, except Ruhi. She had to do the dishes, so she went to the kitchen. Just then, she heard someone approaching from behind and she got scared.
Don't do this, Krishna.
Krishna's action got Ruhi angry. Ruhi turned back to scold him. But she sees Jiju was standing there.
Are you scared?
What kind of a joke was that, Jiju? And take your hands off my shoulder.
Hey, sweetheart. Can't we even joke with you now?
But like this?
What do you mean? Who do you think I am?
I very well know who you are. I had figured out your intentions on the very first day of my marriage.
Look, Ruhi, you are speaking too much now.
Hey, listen, don't shout at me. I too can shout.
Hearing Ruhi and Jiju shouting at each other, Krishna and his sister also came there. Seeing both of them in anger like this, everyone asked them the reason behind it. After which, Ruhi told the whole thing. Hearing everything, Krishna spoke.
Oh God, Ruhi, don't think so much about it. It was just a joke and nothing else. Krishna, you are the only sensible person here. And anyway, today's women just take everything too seriously.
Now you're speaking too much.
Okay, enough guys. It's Holi tomorrow. Let's not spoil that. Now we shall go back to sleep.
Krishna, are you also misunderstanding me?
I'm not proving anyone right or wrong. I just want to finish it. Come on, it's too late now.
Ignoring the matter, everyone went to sleep. Ruhi couldn't sleep all night. She felt extremely bad seeing Krishna's changed attitude. She somehow controlled her thoughts all night long. The next day, everyone went out to play Holi with the people of the society except Ruhi. She stayed back home and watched everyone through the window. Just then, someone knocked. Ruhi went to get the door. She saw Jiju was standing there, completely intoxicated. He was barely stand there. He was completely drunk.
Happy Holi, Ruhi.
What are you doing, Jiju? You know that I have allergies to colors. No.
Hey, so what? If you apply color today, what will be the harm in that? Come here.
You are not in your senses right now. We'll talk later.
Hey, your beauty has got all my senses back now. And I have a chance today. I will take full advantage of it.
No, you please take a step back or else I'll shout.
There is already a lot of noise, baby.
No, please leave me. Leave me.
How much drama do you play? Whatever I say, agree with silence.
Krishna! Didi! Listen up, someone! Please save me! Save me, please! Get away from me! Someone, please save me!
Let me show how stoop I can go. Come to me.
No, no, please! Someone, please save me! Save me, please!
Krishna's brother-in-law began to force himself on Ruhi. Despite her repeatedly refusing, he did not listen. The noise outside was so much that no one could hear her scream for help. Just then, someone pushed Krishna's brother-in-law.
Who dared to push me? Who?
Surprisingly, it was none other than Krishna's own sister.
Didi, you?
Yes, me. And you don't have to explain anything to me. I know what kind of pervert this man is.
Krishna too enters the house. On seeing the heated environment, he started asking the questions. In response to this, Krishna's sister told him the whole truth. Krishna was very surprised to hear all of that and said,
Jiju was drunk. Probably that's why he did what he did. Don't you worry. I will talk to him myself after he gains his consciousness.
Krishna, I did not expect this from you. You are so intelligent. And you are talking such a foolish thing. Do you have any idea what this man would have done to Ruhi had I not come at the right time?
I believe the matter should stay among us. And besides, I don't want your life to be spoiled.
My life got spoiled the day I got married to this man. He is a big time douche. I had foreseen his intention for Ruhi the day you got married. But because of you, I did not say anything. But now, the water has reached above my head. So I had to take this step.
Krishna's sister was already troubled by these antics of her husband, but she couldn't stay silent when it came to talking about women's honor and raised her voice for Ruhi. After which Krishna's sister called the cops and got her husband behind the bars herself. On this auspicious occasion of Holi, good was won by rooting out evil.
If you like this story, then tell us by commenting in the comment box. Also, if you know someone who does such activities with you or around you, then raise your voice for it. Your voice might save someone's life.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.